Welcome, this is Michelle with PaperStampInk. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel today, where I love to share all things paper crafting. If you think you'd enjoy that, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and ring the bell so you get notifications of future projects. So in June, I challenged myself to do a video tutorial every day of the month, and I've put together a quick recap for you of all of those projects. I hope it inspires you, and if you find something you want to check out more, I'll have the playlist linked at the end of this video so you can go back and see more details.